Hey everyone! If you're someone who absolutely loves to learn, but kind of hates getting bogged down in dense, overly academic material, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're creating an explainer that takes a fascinating look under the hood of something you've probably seen a dozen times, but maybe never thought too deeply about. We're gonna deconstruct the exact process behind those incredibly successful animated book summaries, specifically looking at the blueprint used by channels like Escaping Ordinary. We're looking at exactly how they take super complex ideas and turn them into captivating visual stories, distilling massive topics into really digestible things like, say, 3 actionable lessons from wealth. So what truly captures viewer retention? I mean, why is it that you can start watching a summary of a really dense nonfiction book and suddenly 10 minutes have just vanished and you feel like you just absorbed an entire masterclass? Well, it's definitely not an accident. It's a very deliberate transformation of a simple text summary into a highly engaging, kinetic visual journey. And by the end of our time together today, you're going to understand exactly how that journey is constructed. Here is our quick roadmap for today's explainer. First, Section 1, the core formula. Then, Section 2, the master prompt. And finally, Section 3, the Production Toolkit. Okay, let's dive right into Section 1, the core formula, and look at the actual anatomy of high viewer retention. This core formula really rests on 3 main pillars. First up is visual storytelling. The channel Escaping Ordinary just excels at taking abstract, complex concepts like psychology or financial literacy and translating them into really simple, relatable 2D animations or whiteboard drawings. Second is structured pacing. Now, this is absolutely crucial. Notice how these summaries never ever give you a boring chronological chapter-by-chapter breakdown. Instead, they extract just 3 to 5 core lessons. For instance, if you're summarizing Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you don't list out everything. You focus the script entirely on, let's say, 3 lessons from wealth that offer immediate transformative value to the viewer. This keeps the pacing super tight and the value incredibly high. And the third pillar, audio-visual sync. Let's actually expand on that third pillar for a second, because this right here is the secret sauce: kinetic typography, basically moving text. When you pair a calm, authoritative voiceover with words that are literally physically moving and appearing in perfect time with the speech, and then you layer in these really subtle sound effects, it creates this almost hypnotic, totally irresistible educational loop. You aren't just hearing the information, you're seeing it and feeling it land. Your brain is just fully engaged in that audio-visual synergy. Moving right along to Section 2, the master prompt, let's talk about blueprinting with AI. Now, what's really interesting about this is that this is the exact literal prompt you can just copy and paste into an AI like ChatGPT to command it to build your blueprint. You're basically telling the AI to adopt a very specific persona, a professional producer mimicking the style of Escaping Ordinary. You plug in the book name and the author, and you ask for a comprehensive script and storyboard formatted in a highly specific way. You aren't just asking for a basic summary here, you're asking for a full-blown production document. And when you use that prompt, the AI is going to generate these 5 specific outputs for you. It structures a perfect narrative arc. It starts by giving you highly clickable titles and a visual concept for a thumbnail just to get the click. Then it writes a hook for the first 45 seconds that highlights a really common pain point the viewer faces, presenting the book as the ultimate solution. Then we get to the meat of it, extracting those specific 3 lessons from wealth we talked about earlier. After that, it gives you a section on real-world application, so the viewer knows how to actually use this information today. And it rounds it all out with a strong concluding thought and a natural call to action, or CTA, to subscribe and go buy the book. It's just a complete start-to-finish architecture. And this brilliantly illustrates the most critical part of this entire process. When the AI generates those core lessons for you, it has to format them like this: a split screen. Because writing for an animated explainer is a dual process. On the left side, you've got the voiceover script. These are the exact conversational, educational, and inspiring words you're going to say into the microphone. But on the right side, corresponding exactly to those words, you have the visual or animation cues. This describes precisely what needs to happen during the animation at that exact millisecond. Every single spoken concept requires a corresponding visual anchor. Let's look at a concrete example straight from the source material regarding Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If one of your core lessons from wealth is about the difference between earning a wage and building equity, your script is going to look something like this. The voiceover might be explaining the concept of passive income, but the visual cue on the right side of your script tells the animator, show a split screen. On the left, a stressed employee trading time for money. On the right, an investor sleeping while a money tree grows. It takes a really complex financial lesson and distills it down into a stark, immediate visual contrast. And honestly, that is how you teach effectively. All right, let's move into our final stage. Section 3, the Production Toolkit for execution and polish. So here is your ultimate toolkit matrix. First up, animation software. If you want that classic drawing hand whiteboard aesthetic, you're gonna want VideoScribe or Doodly. But if you prefer more modern, drag and drop 2D character animations and that kinetic typography, go with Vyond, Animaker, or Canva. Next, voiceover. For a personal touch, just grab a high-quality USB mic like a Blue Yeti and record it yourself. Or if you want an ultra-realistic documentary vibe, you can use an AI tool like ElevenLabs and select a storytelling voice profile. Finally, audio. You need subtle, lo-fi, or ambient background tracks from places like Epidemic Sound or Artlist that will support but never ever overpower the voice. But guys, I literally cannot stress this next point enough. The music isn't actually the most important part of the audio design. The sound effects are. Pencil scribbles, paper crinkles, soft pops. You absolutely must add these sound effects whenever a new visual element appears. It seems incredibly minor, I know, but this sensory feedback is the absolute secret sauce. It is what tricks the brain into feeling like it's watching a premium animated summary. It provides that incredibly satisfying, tactile audiovisual sync we talked about in the very beginning. Which brings us right to the end of our blueprint. You now know the 3 pillars of retention. You have the exact master prompt to generate a perfectly formatted 2-column script, and you have the software toolkit to actually build it. You understand how to take massive concepts, like those life-changing 3 lessons from Wealth, and distill them into clear, moving visual stories. So the real question is, are you ready to create your first animated summary script today? I challenge you to take a book you absolutely love and run it through this exact framework. You might just be surprised by how brilliantly you can explain it. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next explainer.